Hey everybody, welcome to The More You Learn. Today, we will be talking about how to find the area of a trapezoid. To find the area of a trapezoid, you need to use the equation area equals A plus B over 2 times height. The shorter top line of the trapezoid is represented by A, and the breadth on the bottom is represented by B. Let us try a few problems together. In this trapezoid, A has a value of 4 inches, the breadth 8 inches, and a height of 7 inches. Let us plug in our known values into this equation. We now have 4 plus 8 over 2 times 7. When we solve this problem, the total area of this trapezoid is 42 square inches. Now let us try another problem. In this trapezoid, A has a value of 6 inches, the breadth 12 inches, and a height of 10 inches. Let us plug in our known values into this equation. We now have 6 plus 12 over 2 times 10. When we solve this problem, the total area of this trapezoid is 90 square inches. I hope this video was informative for you. I really enjoyed making it. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and comment on what topic you would like to learn about next. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.